excited about it, but I can assure you, Winston's now enjoying it. Vader loves it. Of course, he's like obsessed with it. Winston. It's so fun to have the dogs enjoy the day, like have it enjoy. Oh, I'm sorry, and all of them. Yeah, we have so many tennis balls. You're all probably wondering, how did I get all these tennis balls in like about a few hours? Well, we have a four-wheeler and we have a tennis court. A lot of people leave their tennis balls there after playing, so we go in there. We have our four-wheeler. We pick them up, bring them back, and yeah. Oh, hey! Not nice, not nice. Skylar. But yeah. Skylar, I gotta be honest. Here's the big boy. What? None of the dogs can pick up besides Skylar. But anyways, they're having fun, and I mean, I thought they were just gonna go haywire. We are about to start recording. Skylar obviously went haywire. Vader did. Yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. We still wanted to see how the dogs would react. And obviously, Winston finally came in. He's like, you know what? I'll be in this video. Skylar's like, I don't care. I want to be in every single video. Vader's just like, I'm enjoying it. You have all the tennis balls. Ah! Can't kick that. Skylar, sit. Now shake. Oh, shake. Ah, shake. Skylar, shake. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. Vader is really enjoying it. I'll be right back. Anyways, that was the end of the video. But before we end, of course, we gotta bring the puppy love. Skylar, look at me. Hey, you want it? Sit. Oh, now Skylar, I showed you these tricks. You have to learn it. All right. You know, I can't take you. Hey, no! Don't be mad at me! She's mad at me! Okay, she was, but I'm gonna take all these tennis balls now. Anyways, guys, hope you all enjoy. And now we're gonna have to pick up all these tennis balls. Okay, calm down, calm down, calm down. Okay, I'm sorry. Leave a like and subscribe.